Dylan, I think the internet has lied to you because somehow this place doesn't get the attention it deserves. Everybody online thinks Ethiopia is stuck in the past. Meanwhile, our country is building its future right here in the present. From bright city lights to endless culture, to nights packed with thrill, energy, and adventure. And the craziest part? Most people still have no idea what's happening here. So don't just come here as a tourist, come here as a creator. Come here to discover stories the world hasn't witnessed yet. Because this country isn't waiting to be discovered anymore. It's becoming impossible to ignore. You bring the camera, Ethiopia will do the rest. Welcome to the land of origin. Welcome home, Dylan.